Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tavas. So today let's know more about one of the ancient festivals of Odisha, that is Dutibahana Osa. Dutibahana Osa or Dutiya Osa is a unique festival of Odisha. It is celebrated in every village and town of Odisha on Mulashtami or the Krishna Paksha Ashtami or the 8th day of the dark fortnight of lunar month of Ashwina. This Brata is dedicated to Dutibahana, the son of Lord Surya, through a Brahmin widow who is said to be the form of Sashti Mata. This festival is generally observed by the mothers to invoke the grace of Lord Dutibahana for the long life and prosperity of their children. Barren women or women whose children do not survive also observe it, aspiring for an offspring. One day before the Brata, ladies observe this festival, which is called Ekkabara. They prepare different types of cakes or pitha pona for puja in the daytime, and in the evening they go to the village pond or river with the puja samagri and draw the picture of a fox and kite. Then they start worshipping Ganga Mata, Surya Dev and Dutibahana. They offer dhupadipa and naibedya or prasad to the god. Next day on Ashtami, the mothers fast the whole day without drinking water, called Nirjala Upavasa, for the well-being of their children and prepare different types of Odia-style pitha. In the evening, the mothers gather on the roadside open ground in their respective localities and make small pond-like structures. Also, they make effigies of a fox and kite in sand. The main offerings of this puja include 21 varieties of seasonal vegetables like potato, sweet potato, elephant apple, pumpkin, radish, white gourd, rich gourd, plantain, aram, yam, brinjal, papaya, etc. and also some fruits. There is a legend behind this Brata where a mother observed this festival for a result. Her sons remained alive even after being killed by their enemies. The same festival is celebrated as Puo Jiuntia in the Kosala or western part of Odisha. The purpose of this festival is same, but the way of celebration slightly differs from Dutiya Osa. After Nuakhai, the people of western Odisha celebrate the Puo Jiuntia festival in a grand manner. Puo means sun and Jiuntia means the sacred thread. So this festival marks the umbilical relationship between a mother and her children. During this festival, Lord Dutibahana is worshipped in an open space decorated with Ambo Torona or mango leaves and flowers. The mothers worship Lord Dutibahana with 108 duba or strands of green grass and 108 unbroken Orua rice or non-boiled rice wrapped in a fresh sal leaf. Besides the Jiuntia or the thread, Liya Jugar made of puffed paddy and moong tikri made of moong and sugar are also served as prasad with 21 seasonal vegetables. A similar wrapping is also made for the children and is a part of the offering to Lord Dutibahana. On the very next day, the mothers break their fast and after tying the Jiuntia on the wrist of their children, prepare a special dish from those vegetables. The main attraction of this puja is the Ghanta Tarkari. As a part of the ritual, the very next day, those 21 seasonal vegetables are cooked into a mixed veg curry known as Ghanta Tarkari in huge quantities and are distributed among the neighbors. This curry is high in nutrients as it is prepared with lots of vegetables, pulses, coconut and sprouts. Although Ghanta Tarkari is commonly prepared in the Odia kitchens throughout the year, it is specifically prepared on the day following Dutiya Osa and therefore it is also called Dutiya Ghanta. The get-together and the exchange of Ghanta Tarkari adds fervour to the Osa. This festival holds special significance for the women of Odisha as it celebrates the special bond between a mother and her children. Thanks for watching. Hope you got to know more about Dutiya Osa or Puo Jiuntia of Western Odisha. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also give me your suggestions in the comment section.